Hello, this tutorial is to walk you through how to use Compass Learning to help you out with your learning of special right triangles and the Pythagorean theorem. When you go onto the internet, you want to log in to www.thelearningodyssey.com, exactly as spelled up here, and this will lead you to this screen. This login screen, they're going to ask you for a username and password. We have a connection with Edgenuity Compass Learning, and they have your username and password. You guys are logged into the system. So you can use your 100 Central username and password right here. And then for school, when you first log on, you're going to see the word Odyssey. What you need to do is then change that to HCRHS, all in capitals. Again, after you put in your username, password, both of them from school, the ones you use every day, and the school of HCRHS, you're going to log in. When you log in, you're going to see the various courses that we have available for you for help. So, for example, you see Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, and then also English 1, 2, and 3. You'll see down here we have Geometry. So for this part of the unit, we're going to go to Geometry. And then you'll see a number of different units here, many of which you've already covered in this course, and some of them you're going to cover soon, like circles. But for this activity, you're going to then go to Special Geometric Relations, this unit. When you enter this unit, you're going to see a variety of different tools also. The two we're going to focus on over these next few days is the Pythagorean theorem and special triangle relations. So for example, when you go to the Pythagorean theorem, you're going to see 3 different links, and just go in order from left to right. This first link is a tutorial, just making sure that you understand what the Pythagorean theorem is and how it can be used. And here are activity quizzes to help assure you that you understand it. You can practice and get feedback before you take a quiz. This quiz will not be part of your school grade, but it is good feedback for you to see how you're learning. When you're done the Pythagorean theorem, go on to then special triangle relations. Within this unit, you're really going to focus on these first 2 links. The first is special right triangles, and the next one is an activity quiz on special right triangles. After these 2, you should be well on your way, along with the other artifacts that you have given to you from class in order to prove your understanding. Good luck with it. If you have any questions, please let Mr. Linden know. Thank you.